Hello, so today I thought I would show you how to generate a random person in a person class. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and add a new class. And we're going to call this person. And we're going to give it two fields, public string name, and do a get and set, and a public datetime birth date, and do a get and set. Alright, and we're gonna create a constructor and call for a method called generate person. Oops. And if we press Control dot, we can generate that method. And inside here, we want to create two string arrays, one called first name and another string array called last name. And we're going to fill this with a couple of first name. So we're going to add in John, Christopher, Carla, and Elliot. And for last names, called Dorian, Turk, Espinosa, and Reed. And then we want to create a random R&D new random. And then we're gonna do this dot name equals to first name R&D dot next, and we're gonna start with 0, and we're gonna go to first name dot length and plus just a space, and then we're gonna type in our last name. So last name brackets R&D dot next 0 and last name dot length. So then here we're gonna get one of these names as a first name and one of these names as a last name. And then we're gonna generate a random birth date for them as well. So we're gonna declare a new date time, call it start. This is the starting date. This is equal to a new date time, and we're gonna start at 1900 January 1st. And we're gonna create an int, call it span. This is gonna be equal to datetime dot today minus span dot not span, start dot days. And then we're gonna do this dot birth date is equal to start dot add days R&D dot next, and we're gonna start with 0, and we're gonna do span. So then we're gonna get a random day between 1900 January 1st and the date for today. And to see how this works, we can go back to our main and create a new list of persons, new list person, and control dot and add using. And we're going to fill this list with a for loop with, let's say, 10 people, size less than 10, plus plus. There we go. And we're going to do persons dot add new person. And to see that this works, we can do a for each var p in person, do a console write line p dot name plus space plus p dot birth date. And now we should get 10 random people. Oops. Yeah. Right, and now we should get 10 random people. Here we go. Got Elliot Turk, born this date, and now we don't have that many names, so there might be some that are the same. But there you go. Thanks for watching.